मजनू है सुल्तान।
मैं चोरी है जो चोरी है तेरी अकड़ की रस्सी जल जावेगी, पकड़ मैं इसकी आग है। जो इंची टेप से नापेगी, तेरी कितनी ऊंची नाक है। तेरी सांस अटक जावेगी, वाह जोर पटक जावेगी। कसम तन्ने चारों खाने चित कर देगी, तेरे पुरजे फिट कर देगी, डट कर देगी। तेरे दाव से बढ़ के पेंच पलट कर देगी, चित कर देगी, चित कर देगी।
ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है।
गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा आशाएं
Well done, my dear friends. This wonderful program was choreographed by our teachers, Mrs. Smita, Mrs. Paddy, Mrs. Mehali, and Mrs. Smita.
Please welcome Mr. Abu Bakar with a huge round of applause.
Let's welcome our friends from UKG and UKGM who are ready to praise an action song. पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा, पापा, तेरे पापा।
सागर ने my mom, I'll continue achieving my dreams. هذا اليوم اللي استنيته يا ماما هيني جنيته يا معلمتي نور عيوني فضلك رح أغني. هذا اليوم اللي استنيته يا ماما هيني جنيته يا معلمتي نور عيوني فضلك رح أغني. دربك يا معلمتي دربي وفضلك رح استر بقلبي وامشي حتى حقق حلمي برضاك يا امي. دربك يا معلمتي دربي
That was such a beautiful performance. The wonderful performance was choreographed by Mrs. Leena, Mrs. Mamta, Mrs. Sasmita and Mrs. Charu.
Now let's welcome Mrs. Tabasum HMJPS.
Now I request our HM Mrs. Nur Fatima to welcome her friends who are proceeding to MPH.
Once again, good morning to one and all. Put hands together to welcome our little graduates, those who are proceeding to MPH. Let's welcome UKGA with their class teacher, Mrs. Nausheen Sharif.
Please keep clapping. Keep motivating them. It's their day today. That's the spirit. Keep clapping, parents.
Now let's welcome UKGC graduates with their class teacher, Mrs. Samina Deshmukh. Now put hands together to welcome our UKGD graduates with their class teacher, Mrs. Kunkun Das. Let's welcome UKGE graduates with their class teacher, Mrs. Sophia George. Let's welcome them with thunderous claps, parents. Put hands together to welcome our graduates of UKGF with their class teacher, Mrs. Simita Ganesh. Let's welcome our little graduates of UKGG with their class teacher, Mrs. Sonia Shine. Let's welcome with thunderous round of applause our UKGH students with their class teacher, Mrs. Leena Shaji. Now put hands together to welcome our little graduates of UKGI with their class teacher, Mrs. Sina John. Now let's welcome UKG J graduates with their class teacher, Mrs. Shimipa Sunil. Let them welcome with thunderous round of applause. With thunderous round of applause, let's welcome our UKG K graduates with their class teacher, Mrs. Mamta Shivaram.
I cannot hear the sound of clapping. Parents, please. It's a big day for them.
Now let's welcome our little graduates of UKGL with their class teacher, Mrs. Sayyada Asra. Last section of today's program, let's welcome UKG M students with their class teacher, Mrs. Asha Baiju. My heartfelt congratulations to all my little graduates. Thank you one and all.
Good morning to one and all. I am Rini, one of the hosts of graduation ceremony. I call upon our esteemed principal sir to come and distribute the certificates for 100% attendance.
Yes, all my UKG students, please one stand up and turn to mommy this side, turn to daddy that side and wave hand that you are here. उस तरफ मुड़ के, पीछे मुड़ के. Yeah, just wave hand, mommy I am here. Come on say, mommy I am here. Loudly, mommy I am here. और जोर से मम्मी आई एम हियर. Oh my dear daddy, I am here. Okay, now please sit down. Good children, you listen to the principal. Raise both hands up and make fist mutti and say loudly, I can, sir. और जोर से मम्मी को सुनना चाहिए. I can. Yes, very good. Now repeat. I will, sir. I shall do it, sir. Thank you, children. Keep your hands down. And now sit right.
We'll welcome, first of all, teachers from UKG, those who got 100% attendance certificate. Mrs. Kunkun Das,
100% attendance. The teacher who did not take single day leave but attended the school and taken care of our children. Hats off to you teachers. Please be quick, be fast. And I request our chairman sir to present a certificate, because these are the wonderful teachers. If school has worked 200 days, they were present for 200 days. What a wonderful thing. I would love to have such teachers in my school. And I would like to honor such teachers. And I request our chairman sir to present them the certificate, 100% attendance of the teacher. Yes, madam, carry on.
Mrs. Sophia George, Mrs. Smita Ganesh, Mrs. Leena, Mrs. Asha Baiju, Mrs. Asia Begum, Mrs. Shailaja Ranjan, Mrs. Annama Suraj, Mrs. Gurpreet Kaur, Mrs. Vidyashri, Mrs. R. Narmada, Mrs. Hajra Sultana. Okay, now teachers from LKG, those who are getting 100% attendance certificate, Mrs. Trupti, Mrs. Suman, Mrs. Charu, Mrs. Gigi, Mrs. Babita, Mrs. Laida, and Mrs. Nadia. Congratulations to all the teachers. And now it's time for our tiny tots to get 100% attendance from UKG section. From UKG section A, Mohammad Jameen.
I request our academic committee member, Nizamuddin Sahab, to present these certificates to the children who have put in 100% attendance. I think they deserve a thunderous round of applause. And mother is requested to accompany the child. Mother who is responsible in sending the child every day, whether it is a rainy day, of course a rainy day we close the school. All the days, may I request to be bit quick in coming and receiving. Nizamuddin sir to please come and present these certificates.
Okay, we'll start with Mohammad Jamil from section A, UKG section A. Give them a big round of applause. Well done, Jamil.
I know mothers are a bit far away. Please help mother also to join. Teachers, KG staff, please help mother to join the child and receive this 100% certificate. 100% attendance. What a regular student he or she is. Thank you, madam.
Section B, Mohammad Mujtaba. Section C, Adnan Patel. Here is Sam Suraj from section E. Parents, you're clapping, your motivation is big inspiration for them. Please keep inspiring them. From section H, Aris and Rochelle from the same section. Sumeda from section J. And now, not last but not the least, from UKG section K, Abdul Aziz. Congratulations to all the students, those who got 100% attendance. And a big congratulations to all the mothers for their dedication.
Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Chairman, Mr. Tashkin Akbar, to present the certificates for UKG students, section A and B.
I now request our managing committee member and also finance committee member, Abu Bakar Saab, to start the distribution of graduation certificates to the tiny tots of UKG, and the first section going to come is already announced.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to one and all. Today I call upon my students of UKG A to please come on the stage and receive the certificates. Abdul Mukhir, Abhiram,
Meanwhile, section B, please keep your children ready.
Agar.
Arrange.
Ayman, parents, please give a big round of applause for each child. Ayman, Amatul Hasim,